Hello guys, today we're going to be packing an order for Lucy. So she marked this as a gift, which means it's for someone else, I think, and not her. And she's included a little message, so I'm just writing that down on a card right now. I love to add little freebies in all my orders, so here's a little rose ring for her. I hope she likes it. And now I'm just going to wrap it around, the plant around with some wet paper. So, like wet napkins, so it'll keep the dirt from falling out and it'll keep the moisture in. I'm just gonna wet it with some more water now. Now I'm gonna wrap the plant with some plastic wrap so all the water doesn't leak and it keeps the moisture in. If this is a moisture loving plant like an aglaonemia, it'll thank you for it. And now I'm just going to kind of wrap it with foil, since foil keeps the heat in and I don't want the plant to freeze. And now I'm gonna wrap the leaves with foil, not one by one, like a whole thing, like a little bouquet. Some people like to do it with plastic because it looks prettier, but I'm trying to maintain the heat in here so it doesn't freeze. And by the way, this is a red CM aglaonemia, available in my Etsy shop if you want some. Now I'm just sticking one of my handwritten notes that I include in every order, which just says, please consider leaving a review because a review really means a lot to us. And now I'm just gonna put them in the box. And now I'm just adding some fun confetti paper just to look cute. And I'm gonna add one of my handwritten notes that I include in every order. And now I'm just gonna add some tissue paper to look pretty. And then we're done. And I'm just writing live plants in bold. So if the USPS workers see this, just be a little careful because they're live. But we really appreciate the work you're doing for us in this tough time. So thank you. And bye guys, that's it for today. Be sure to visit my Etsy shop.